Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, today in the additional of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's weekend, and almost end of the month. Saturday, May the 28th, 2022. We have here in this additional the letter Sudoku, the Sudoku with 2 stars, Sudoku with 3 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and a binary. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. And so we have total of 6 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve today, and the other half tomorrow. Because tomorrow on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. So what I will do is today on Saturday, the 3 stars Sudoku, the tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. Okay. The first one will be number 4617. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25. Yes, 3 stars has always 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? And for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have here 1 2. And 1 2 3 4 3s. We have here 1 2 3 4s. How about the 5? 1 2 5s. 2 6s. The 3 6s. 4 6s. Wow, 4 6s. 2 7s. 3 8s. And 2 9s. 3 9s. So the 3 and the 6s are in majority. Okay. So let me start with the 6 or the 3s. Let me start with the 6. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 1. We have a 6 and a 1 in the middle row. So no 6 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. The 6 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 1, 6 and a 1. We have a 6 in the middle column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers. A 1, a 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, the 6 in this row, the 6 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, here in this column. So no 6 in that box, so 1 box left for the 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, third row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. Alright. 3 in this column, third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Alright. I'm scanning. 3 in this row, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Alright. Okay. Cannot continue with the 3. Need to wait. How about? I'm thinking. 6 and 3. Interesting. Yeah. Well. We have a 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1. Need a 2, 8. 2. 2, 7, 3. Yeah. I'm thinking. Not yet. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9. Okay. All right. 6, 3, 8, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Aha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in the second row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in this column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column, so the column next to only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 4 should be here. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Alright, and now I cannot continue with the 4. I need to wait. 1, 2, 3. No. 2, 7, 5. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in the first column is the number 5. We are missing the 5 here in the first column. Well, we have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in this box. Here, 5 in this row, so no 5 in that box. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in this box. The 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright. 8, 5. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2, 8, 5, 2, 8, 5, 2, 8, 5. And look, we have an 8 and a 5 in this column. So no 8 and a 5 in this box. The 8 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 5, 8 and a 5. Let me mark those 8 and 5. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers in this column are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. All right. 1 1. Let me see. We have a 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 1. 1 1. In this row, the second row, 1 2 3. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. We see here 1 in this column, so no 1 in this box. Here 1 in the middle column, so no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. Okay. 2 numbers left in this row. The second row for the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Two missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 it goes there. Yeah. 2 3 9. 2 3 9, 2 3 9. I'm scanning. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 9. 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers are 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 7 and a 3. So this box should be a 7 and that box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those numbers are the 1. The 2 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 4, it goes there. So we have a 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. Now we have 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. Alright, 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then the 3 2 interesting 5. We have a 9 in this row, the 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing and the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have a 9 now, so no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Then. Yeah. We have a 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore, and that box should be a 5. And this box should be an 8. One box left in this column for the number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 or more, that box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Well, 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, but I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.